Hello, I'm here to review this LED gaming keyboard with 104 keys, fully programmable. There's a ton of features that this thing has to offer. When you order it, it comes in this very sleek packaging, which I absolutely love. If you were to go ahead and open it up, I'll give you a close-up look of the keyboard itself. As you can see, it is very, very well packaged, ensuring that everything gets to you safely and securely. It does come with the user manual, however, I'll be showing you just how easy it is to use and configure. You can go ahead and take the keyboard out of the sleeve here and give you a close-up look of the keyboard itself. So as you can see, it is that full keyboard, so it does have all the keys here as well as the number of keys on the side. I absolutely love the way that they sound. It is wired, so you'll notice here that you can just plug this into your computer. It is USB and it is ready to be used. It also does have some indicators and lights on the top here. And on the back, you of course have the option to stand up the keyboard to give it a little bit of elevation if you do want different ergonomics for your wrist. In addition to this keyboard, it does come with this tool that lets you easily pull out any keys. So if you do want to swap out the keys for something custom, change them out, you have that flexibility, and it does provide that tool to easily do so, which is super helpful. Let's go ahead and plug this into my computer and show you why I chose this keyboard over others. All right, so I'm at my gaming computer here. I got the keyboard. It is super easy to set up. All we're gonna do is just take this USB cable and plug it into my computer here. And you'll notice immediately it is turning on all of the lights, giving you a nice little show. It is that easy to just plug in, and now I can type and it works just fine. So it really is plug and play. No need to install any drivers, software, nothing like that. Just plug it in and you're ready to start using it. So now let's talk about some of the programmable keys that are available. Awesome. So you can see I did change the LED design that is playing. There's a ton of shortcuts available to you that you can leverage. For example, if you click on FN and down, it'll actually lower the brightness. FN and up will increase the brightness. You can increase the speed of the movement by FN right or slow it down with FN left. You can also cycle through all of the different 12 options by clicking FN and print screen. So you can see there are some of the options. You also have FN and home, which will just give you a straight color. So that way you can switch between all the different colors. You also have the ability to customize the light on the bottom here. And you can do that by clicking FN and page up. So FN and page up. And you might be able to see in the bottom here that it does FN page up, change that color on the bottom. So you can have multiple colors going at once here. You also have the option for FN and insert to go between different lighting effects on the bottom, whether you want like a constant color or you want that to change as well. Again, you have a ton of options available to you. You can also turn off the lights at any moment by clicking FN and escape here. But we love those lights. They look super nice, so we're going to turn that back on. We also have the option to turn this into a different gaming mode. So if you click on FN and pause, you'll notice that it does highlight certain keys. Depending on the game that you're playing, it might be helpful just to use WASD, or if you want these different modes here that highlight different keys, that may be helpful in your different gaming modes there. Then of course you have FN and scroll lock if you want to edit and customize some of the options available to you. If you want to give it like your own custom programmed display, you can do that as well and save it, which is super cool. And you can press FN in Windows and FN and delete to reset all the keyboard settings. But as you can see, absolutely dozens and dozens of options to really make this keyboard customizable to fit your needs. So you may have heard when I was typing here, but I absolutely love the sound of this mechanical keyboard. So as you click and press different keys, you can hear it is super satisfying. Again, I absolutely love that sound. It is made up of a durable all aluminum panel, so this thing is built to last. it does have that all aluminum panel to give you that superior durable quality and a very premium feel. So that way you can ensure it withstands the heavy use and will last for many, many years to come. It is super compatible. So you see that I'm using it for Windows, but regardless if it's for MacBook or Linux, it will be a great keyboard regardless of the operating system. It is also super ergonomic as well. So I absolutely love the design and the layout. So that way I can feel confident using this all day and not having any fatigueness or wrist pain. It really does have that ergonomic design. Again, also thanks to it being able to be elevated on the back there. You can also download an advanced driver software support, so that way you can tailor the keyboard to your exact needs with the professional driver software. So that way it's easy to set up custom macros and shortcuts for enhanced productivity and gaming efficiency. Overall though, it is a very, very nice keyboard. I honestly can't say enough great things about it. I highly recommend getting one for yourself today.